Hello everyone. Today we are going to do hands-on to impute the missing value with mean, median and mode. First we are going to import the required libraries. Now we are going to import the Titanic dataset. Now we are going to check what are the required variables where we have the null values. We can say that age column, which is numerical, has some null values. Cabin and embarked, both column have null values. So we will impute these three column values with the help of mean, median and mode. Here we are going to check the count of the null values. We can see that in age column we have 177 null values, and in cabin column we have 687 null values, and in embarked column we have 2 null values. Now, as we have discussed in our previous video regarding the imputation, we can categorize in two parts. First one is the generalized imputation, where we impute the missing value in each column. Like first we will impute in passenger ID, then we will impute in survive, then we will impute in sex. It means column by column we impute the value. And in second one is similar case imputation, where we impute the missing value. Let's we have two column A and B. So in that case we impute the missing value in B column with the help of A. It means we use some other column to impute the missing value on that particular column. First we are going to discuss about the generalized imputation. So we are going to use the fill_NA function to use the mean, median and mode. First we are going to check the data. Here we are going to impute the age column. In age column we will impute the missing value with the help of mean and median, because this is your numeric column. So we will use mean and median to impute the age column. How we will impute? So first we will take the mean or median of age column, and whatever the value we will get, we get the value x is equal to 35. So we will impute all the null value with this 35 value. Same thing we are going to do here. Now I am going to use the fill_NA function, where what I am going to do, I am going to use the median of the age column. So whatever the value we will get, that value will be placed at the null value, and same thing I am going to do with the embarked column. In embarked column we have 2 null values, and this is your categorical column. So we cannot use the mean and median. So here we will use the mode. Now we will check whether we have still null value or not in both the columns. You can see that embarked and age, both column null value have been imputed. Now we will check the count. You can see the count is 0. Here we use the median and mode. Now we will again use the mean. Here I am going to use the mean, and again mode, same thing. So still we will get the same output. So this way we can use the fill_NA function to impute the missing value in the respective column where we have the null value with the help of mean, median and mode. This is the generalized imputation. Now we will use replace function, where in the replace function we will also use the mean and median and mode. Let's check how it will work. Same, just use, we are going to replace the null value in age column, where we are going to use the replace function, where we are going to replace the nan value with mean of the age column, or we can also use the median. It depends up to you. And same thing here we are going to use the mode. Whatever the value we will get in mode, that value will be replaced with null value. we can see the output, it is 0. You can see that all the column we have without null value and in embarked. So this way we can use the replace and fill NA function to impute the missing value with the help of mean, median and mode. Now I am going to use the similar case imputation. How does it work? Let this is your city and this is your population. Let's we have city A, B, 10 million population, 15 million population, 15 million population, and in A we have NA. In B we have 20 million population and here we have 25 million population. So we want to fill the null value in population column. So how we can fill that? Because if you see here, these are the value of city A. So what we can do, we can impute this value according to city A. So how we will fill? We will calculate the mean or median corresponding to city A. So what value we will get? 10 plus 15 divided by 2. This will be your 25. 2, it means 12.5. So this value will be 12.5. So this way we can impute the missing value in any column with the help of other column. This is called as a similar case imputation. So same thing we are going to use here. Now I am going to import the data set. So here you can see we will impute this missing value in the daytime column and in product quality column. So how we will impute? We will impute this value with the help of store type and city type. So let's check how we can do that. Here you can see that we are going to impute the value in daytime column with the help of city type. And how we can do that? Let me explain here. You can see that first what we will do, our main purpose is that we want to impute the missing value in daytime column and we want to use this city type. According to city type, whatever the similar value we will have in the city type, we will use those similar value and we will impute the missing value. How we will do that? First we will group by this value. Group by means first 1 1, then 1 1, all the value will be grouped by according to type. Let 1 1 1 1 1, then 2 2 2, then 3 3 3, then all the 1 1 we will check the day temperature, then we will take the mean of this day temperature and we will impute that value. So let me do it first. Now you can see that the value has been imputed 26.75. Let me check how it is imputed. You can see that we will group by the city type 1 1 1 1 1. It means 130 132. How many values we have corresponding to 1? 30 32 23 22. We have 5 ones and value we have 4. So what we will do? We will add all these 4 values. We will all those values 30 plus 32 plus 23 plus 22 divided by 4. We will get 26.75. So that's why this value has been imputed. Now what I am going to do? I am going to impute this datetime by using the 2 columns, store type and city type. So let's check how we can do that. I am again going to import this data set. So I am going to use the store type and city type now. Now I am going to use the 2 column. I will explain in Excel sheet how it will work. It will work in the same way. First we will group by the store type, then city type, then whatever the value we will get, we will use those corresponding value and we will take the mean of those value. Let me first run this. Now you can check this value has been imputed. We are getting none. I will explain in Excel why we are getting none. Just wait some time. So here you can see that I am going to impute this product quality. In product quality is your categorical column. So we will use the mode, because by using the mode we can get the most frequent value and that value will be imputed. So same thing I am going to do here. Store type and city type. According to store type and city type, we will get some similar value. According to the similar value, we will get this corresponding product quality. Then you can see that this value has been replaced with A value. Now I am going to use the Titanic data set here. Same thing, I am going to impute this age column with the help of survived, passenger class and sex. First we will group by survived, then after that passenger class, then sex. Whatever the similar value we will get, we will take the mean corresponding to those value, and after that whatever the mean value we will get, we will impute null value corresponding to those similar values with the help of that output. You can see that. Now let me explain how we can do this group by with the help of Excel, so that you will be able to understand in a proper way. How we can like impute this datetime value by using the store type and city type. So first we will group by. You can see I have group by store type 1, then 2, then 3. Now I will group by city type according to store type. Then I mention the corresponding temperature, whatever the value we have corresponding to city type, I mention those value. Now we have to impute these 3 value. How we will impute? We will check the similar value in city type. You can see that. So we will use this 2 value to impute this 9 value. So what we will do? We will do 27 divided by 1 because we have only one value. So this value will be 27. And in this place, this is only 1. And here we have only 9. That's why it is coming the 9. And here we have 2 values. So this value will be also 31. So 27, 9, 31. Let's check what value we got. This is your 31. This is your 27. This is your 9. So this way we can impute the missing value in any column with the help of other column by using the group by. That's it from my side for today. I hope this video would be helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.